Josh. Ooh, what is it?
Slow down, dude.
Wow. What is it?
It's a Super Friends poster.
What is it?
Uh-oh, what is it?
What?
What is it?
What should be the method?
What is it, Josh?
It's the Hulk.
It's the what?
The Hulk.
The what?
It's the Incredible Hulk.
Oh, wow. You don't like the Incredible Hulk.
Yes, I do.
We've opened 4 presents in under 1 minute.
Oh, wow. Jared, look.
It's a Super Friends. Just something. Now
Turn it around so I can see.
Now you're in charge. Turn it. Justice League.
Joshua.
Oh, wow. A Justice League original comic book.
Hang on, Jared.
Sweet.
Comic.
It's a comic book.
It is.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to do it again.